to talk about different things and, of course, to talk about really interesting things. So, guys, I hope you had a great night and you start very wonderful in your day. And I hope you are happy. So, do you happy today, or are you happy today? You know, this is the most important thing. It makes no sense to check the charts if you are not happy. And thanks God, it's in our hands, in our own hands, to be happy every day. So let's switch to the charts this morning. And by the way, please don't be confused, because I'm not at home in my home office. I actually, let me show you. I am in my home in Frankfurt, of course. And so I have a big screen. So there is my laptop, here the camera and my voice. On the upper side, there is my big screen. So check it there. So I hope you can see it with this background a little bit. Yeah, I guess so. Here is it. So you can see on the upper side, there is a big screen. So therefore, I have to look up. It could be a little bit confusing for you. Okay, so, and please, I can see on YouTube as well. Hello, good morning, Don, Thomas, Vladimir, Mashi from Istanbul. Greetings to Istanbul. And of course, Mr. Klersky from Malaysia on YouTube as well. And of course, all of you too. Okay, so feel free to ask whatever's in your mind. I guess we will have a little bit of time to talk about the markets, but let's focus on sticking to the rules. You know, that's the most important thing. Antonio, wonderful, good morning. Screen. And yeah, first of all, so let me check that I see the chat. It's a little bit different this morning because, you know, I have just only two screens this morning. And yes, of course, so now I got it. Okay, so first of all, please be aware of the risk note on the lower side. CFDs and Forex are complex instruments and come with a high risk of losing money rapidly due to leverage. 71 of our retail investors can't lose money. And you know, it's up to us that we reduce this number of 71. We have it in our hand, guys. You know, we are the exception. And I hope you want to be the exception too. And therefore, we have the duty to stick to the rules, because you know our rules, 4 rules: trend, young trend, in the correction, balance candle. That rules are protection for us. It's like 70% of probability means it's a guarantee to become successful in the future, but only, just only if you stick to the rules always. Maybe you remember we had a poll this week. I remember yesterday or the day before yesterday, I asked you if you can stick to the rules, and most of you said it's so damn it hard to stick to the rules always, and about emotions or some other things. And I thought I will create special topics in April to cover this this topic about the emotions. And maybe it could be a good thing that you join the morning show from Monday to Friday every day. Or maybe you can check it on YouTube later, because check the YouTube channel of Admiral Markets, and then you can watch it if you don't have time every morning. So then please check it on YouTube. Okay, so Vinod, wonderful. Michael, good morning. And wherever you are, Albert, wonderful, good morning. So first of all, what do we expect today? To be honest, nothing interesting. Just GDP estimates in UK will come out at, it's just over. So actually minus 1.7. What the heck is that? I don't care about that. And Canadian dollar will come out with some numbers this afternoon. So to be honest, as a private trader, not really interesting. If you want to have more information, we have a real account, at Admiral Markets, and you have premium analytics here, and then you can check it and you can see very interesting numbers, and you see they have a big, very from Admirals, really interesting information. It's just information, and we figured out news are only there to force people, unexperienced people, to do, to buy or to sell something. But we guys, we are training here different things. We training stick to the rules. We are not affected by news because we know we cannot affect the price on the right side. And let's sing a song. What do you think? Let's sing a song. If you cannot work with guarantees, you have to work with probabilities. Okay, let's do it again. Come on. It's for your mindset. If you cannot work with guarantees, you have to work with probabilities. And this is a duty, guys. It's not a joke. It's not, yeah, make it a little bit funny, but it's a duty. As a private traders, you cannot influence the price. You cannot work with guarantees. And if you cannot work with guarantees, you have to work with probabilities. We should make a song about that. Let's think about it. Anna, we must make a song with that. I promise. Jesus Christ. So let's switch to the markets right now. And I have to switch my screens. Yeah, here we go. Okay, let's first of all, yeah, oh, by the way, sorry, thanks God. I want to invite you because we have a wonderful show this afternoon, of course, and learn the best technique to avoid negative emotions in your trades. So I hope you will join this session from my wonderful partner, continuous partner this afternoon. And it's a really interesting topic. You should join that. If you have time, you should join it, or maybe you can watch it later on the YouTube channel. Thanks, Anna, for this reminder. And yes, here we go. So now, what's on my watch list? So, I want to train you that you follow a special working style. So my working style every morning is go through the list on, you can see my chart on the left side. You see, I only focus on this list. It's completely enough. For a swing trader in 4-hourly chart, is completely enough. That's the majors, that's the minors, that's the indices, that's the most important commodities like gold, silver, and crude oil. And that's all. You don't need more to trade. Stay focused and learn to train, to have the right view on the right side of the chart. But please always remember, think about the thing with the pen. It's just your reality. If this pen were an ultimate pen, the dog will write a letter with it, but they don't. It's a chew toy, and for you, it's a pen. And this is, if you think it through, everything comes from you, everything. So if someone yelling to you, your husband, your wife, or your girlfriend, or your husband, whatever, and you realize that, it's an interesting topic, then think about the pen. Shut up at that moment. That's the big challenge. Shut up in that moment. If someone yelling to you, shut up in that morning, think about the pen and realize it's coming from you. It's your seed. That seed opens up in that morning, in that moment, and you see someone is yelling to you. So the question is, where does the seed come from? Everything comes from you. So you should be a seed detective, detective, that's right. So detective, a seed detective. So you must figure out, oh, where does the seed come from? Ah, yeah, right. Last week, I was yelling to my wife, or maybe I was yelling to my kids, or to a friend, or to a neighbor, or someone. There you watched yourself by planting that seed. And now you realize your wife is yelling to you. So who is wrong? It's not your wife. It's not your friend, it's not your girlfriend. No, it's your reality. That's your reality. And the same is happening on the right side of the chart. If you cannot stick to the rules, it's not up the market. It's not about the chart. It's just about the seeds in your mind. Because last week, or maybe yesterday, you watched yourself breaking the rules. You plant the wrong seed in your mind. And next time you see the same situation, your reality, you break the rules again. There is no fault about the market. There is no fault about the candles or something else. So we have really clear 4 rules. And we have really clear definition of a balanced candle. So there is really less space for a kind of interpretation. Okay, and this is the real thing in the in trading, how you can create your own trading success. And yeah, let's go. What's my watch list? So you see on the lower side there are some trading ideas. So let's start with Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. So actually we have a wonderful trend. So actually it's a young trend. Rule number 2. Rule number 3. You see a close lower than 38%, and now we are waiting for the balance candle. So this will not happen with this candle, because this candle on the right side is a trend continuation candle, but we wait for the balance candle. So you see, there is no need to check this chart at the next changing of the candle, which means in my time it's 11. I don't know what is your time. Then there is no need, because we must wait for the balance candle. As you see, you can go out for the next at least 6 hours. So or 8 hours. So there is no need to check it. That's kind of control the emotions, you know, train your mind. We will do it together, guys. Okay. So next on my watch list is Euro, Australian dollar. So you see the little bit, yeah, it's a downtrend. Yeah. So, and actually we have the last low, and now we are going up, but at that moment, we miss a close above 38% of Fibonacci. So, and we are deep in the lower green zone, and we have to stick the rules. It's going more down, but we are already deep in the green zone. So we have to be really, really careful about that. So wait for it. So you see the same. Actually, we don't have a close above 38%, which means we have to wait. You see, no need to check that chart at 11 my time, or what is your time, the next changing of the color. You see the break of the color of the candle then. No need, because you need a close, and then you need a balance candle. You see, there is no need to stay in front of the screen. There is no need. And I would recommend you, go away, go out, enjoy your life. Okay, that's the best. Otherwise, you're always in danger to be an actor. But we figured out, you know, we are speculators, and that a speculator, you are an observer and not an actor. Okay. So we have Euro Swiss franc on my watch list. So we have a downtrend. That's the leading trend. The main trend is still facing upwards, but you know we are deep in the green zone. The point of control is far away on the lower side. So now we have a wonderful trend. It's still a young trend. We have a correction. It ends actually at 78% on the upper side. Now we are waiting for a clear balance candle, but this will not happen with this current candle. You see, no need to stay in front of the screen. Maybe the next could be a balanced candle. So check the charts in 8 hours, not in 4 hours. Okay, that's cool. It's really cool. So you can join the line. So Euro New Zealand dollar. This is a little bit tricky chart. I must confess, this is one of the charts I would say you must work with a little bit of experience. So first of all, we see the point of control is far away up. So we have a lot of space to go. There is no need to become in a hurry or to rush or something else. So wait a little bit. So actually, we see we have always, we have almost 100% correction. This is not really healthy for a chart. You see 100% correction. And we can see we have a little bit an unclear facing downwards secondary trend. And this is not really the best situation. So wait for it. Wait for it if you will see maybe a third on other underneath uptrend, a smaller uptrend. And if you can see that, then we have more traders on our side that want to go up. So wait for it. Today, it's not a need to trade this chart. It's just on a watch list maybe for next week. British pound, Australian dollar. Here's the best example when I say be patient. Please be patient, guys. Yeah, and wait for really clear signals. So actually, we are circling around the point of control, and you can see, yeah, we went down, or we went down in the correction. We missed a clear, yeah, there was a balance candle. Yeah, and maybe, yeah, we can open a trade. Of course, the rules fit there. There we have a balance candle, but you know, we are in the red zone. So what we should do right now, should we open the trade right now in hurry? No, of course not, guys. We are patient traders. We are smart traders. We don't need to catch every single pip. So give it a little space and let's check where we can open the trade. So check it. Yeah, just give me a second. This is because I work with my team viewer on my computer at home. So I hope I can go on next seconds. Okay. So yeah, here we go. Okay, so I would set a stop buy order here exactly. Let it go, because we are speculating, observing that the trend will continue to the upper side. Okay, so I set a stop buy order a little bit higher, because if the trend will continue, they pick me up on that way up. Okay, but if the price will go down, I'm not in. That's cool. That's really cool. To trade smart. So we are circling around the point of control, which means the market is a kind of shouting to me and says, Marcus, we are fine with that price right now. There is no reason to hurry or being in a rush or something else. So be patient, you know, moves patient. Okay. So, and here is a wonderful example when I say, please cut your loss. So this is just an example, because you see, we opened the trade there based on the rules. And I used to say trail at the beginning your soft stop bar by bar. And if you have a close, then cut the loss. And now look the chart. Look at that chart. That's really, really interesting. If you were not cut the loss, the price were running into the full stop loss. And this you have to avoid. It must be a really seldom case that your price is running into full stop loss. The stop loss should protect the trading idea, and is the worst case. And at the beginning, you must cut the loss. And look, the price right now is going deeper. And I know, because I did it in my past very, very often. I did it really often, that I trailed my stop away and away and away. Why was it? I don't want to have another loss. It's an emotion thing, you know, it's an emotion thing. So I cannot, I don't want another loss. So, and there was only hope, but hope is the ground where only the idiots spending their time. This is what my mentor told me. And I must confess, I was an idiot really, really often, believe me. But that you have to learn not to be an idiot. Okay, so we can cut it from we can delete it from my list. And the last one is US dollar Swiss franc. So we have a lovely downtrend right now. And with that current candle, it seems we will have a close above 38. And then we await for the balance candle. So you see, in all our trades right now, there is no need to check it in the next 8 hours, or at least the next 4 hours. Not one of those trades I showed you right now, there is no need, because either we don't have a close above 38, or actually the current candle is not a balanced candle. So that's fine, that's cool, that's really cool. I know that's a big challenge, because you should not check the charts. You should not check the charts. So what should I do? Damn it, I'm a trader. Oh, I'm a trader. I told my friends I'm a trader. I have to check the charts every second. No, you don't. The only damn it job is to stick to the rules. That is what you have to do. Okay? This is what those guys, okay, you don't see they have a wrong background, but I'm in Frankfurt here right now, and I see the towers, and those guys, they are trained to stick to their rules. Therefore, we have the duty to stick to the rules also. Otherwise, we will lose that game. And we are here in this morning briefing show to win that game. Okay, so do you want to win that game? So type it in the chat box. Do you want to win that game? Yes or no? Type it in the box on YouTube and Zoom. Do you want to win that game? Type it in the chat box. Yes or no? Do you want to win that game? Say yes. Say yes. Do you want to win that game? Then say yes. So I want a yes from you. Yeah, I got a lot of yeses. So that's the only proper question, the answer, guys. Yes, we will win that game. But then we have to stick to the rules, and that's what we have to do. So, and the poll of today, I want to ask you, the poll of today, we can open the poll now. The question of the day is, have you understood the 4 magic steps I talked about yesterday? So please give me an answer. Have you understood the 4 magic steps? So answer number 1, yes, I have. And answer number 2, what the heck is the 4 steps? So or answer number 3, no, I have not. So there is the poll. Have you understood the 4 magic steps? Please push the button. Answer number 2, yes, I have. Answer number 2, what is that? And number 3, no, I have not. So while you're doing that, I go through my running trades right now. And this is US dollar, Japanese yen. So can you see the benefit of having a soft stop? It's cool, right? It's really damn it cool. So you see, we didn't have a close above the soft stop. So, and now the price is running up. Is that cool? Is that cool to trade smart and to trade without any emotions? If you're not focused on money, if you're focused on sticking to rules, following the plan, is that cool? I think that's really, really cool. So have you understood the 4 magic steps? So we got 15%, 63%, yeah, I have, that's cool. But 21, what's that? I will explain, and maybe it's the time to check the YouTube video from yesterday in the YouTube channel of Admirals. And 16%, no, I have not, I will explain. How did you decide on the soft stop? Yeah, I trailed the soft stop because I could see the price is moving down. So that's a kind of experience. So it's time to follow the show, Alexandra, I guess. Okay, next one. So I guess we can, let's see on YouTube. Yeah, but need practice. Yeah, of course, but it's not easy. Yeah, I know it's not easy. So, okay, we can close the poll. Thank you very much. And now the next one is the same, New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. So we'll check the time. Yeah, of course. So you see, that is wonderful behavior of trailing with a soft stop. So the red line was mentioned, my soft stop. And afterwards, I get a close above, and I set it at the last point 3. I had a close. I trailed my hard stop above the wick of that candle, which triggered my soft stop. You see the price? I love it, guys. The price is going down. And in my past, very often I was affected about money, and I stopped, I got out. And afterwards, I could see the price going down, and I was so angry about myself because I was such a stupid idiot, because I was affected by money. And this is what happened right now. So work with the soft stuff. It's really, really cool. And now we can react on it. So maybe if we see a double low or something else, then we can trail the soft stop lower, but let the market work. Please let it work. Let the market decide how much money you will get. Let the market decide. We cannot know what happens next. Okay? So Australian Japanese yen. It's a wonderful uptrend. So you see, therefore, now that's the best example that the price is not part of the rules. Never say, never say the price cannot go higher or lower. Never say that. You are not the boss. You are not one of those guys. You are a private trader. You have to follow you have to stick to the rules, and you have to follow your plan. And that's all. And I said, when we will reach the green rectangle, then let's sell half the position. Or maybe if we will see the next balance candle, then we can sell half the position, trail the stop into profit. So we have time. It's 4-hourly chart. There is no reason for rush or being in a hurry or something else. You see, is that cool? I think it's the coolest thing ever to stick to the rules and to give the responsibility to the market. So next one is Australian New Zealand dollar. You see it there, the breakout is there. So let it run, follow bar by bar with your soft stop. And if you will reach the green rectangle, then we can sell half the position and trade the stop into profit, and everything is fine. British pound, Canadian dollar. This is a little bit tricky. So maybe you see, we didn't have a close above 38%. Yeah, you're right. I confess, you're completely right. This is one of the seldom exceptions where I decided to open a trade. Why? Check it where we are. And I trained you that sometimes it's more important where we are. We are deep in the green zone. The fair price is really, really far away, on our way to go down. So this is on a seldom and not, it's a really, really almost, yeah? It's not far away from the 38%. It's almost there. This is a seldom exception. It's not breaking the rules. It's not breaking the rules. It's just kind of experience, you see? And therefore, I decided to open the trade. So is it a problem? No, of course not. We can trail the soft stop. And if the price will go up, yeah, close it. That's all. But if the price will go down, yeah, we are part of it. Okay? That's an exception. It's not the permission to break in the rules. It's not breaking the rules. It's just to decide, okay, where we are. Yeah, okay, we gap 38, but not exactly. It spikes there, but the spikes tells me the truth. Big money won't go up anymore. They moved the price, they turned the price there during 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. That means 16 hours. They moved the price there. You must listen to the big market, okay? So Yeah, then Dow Jones, is that cool? Yes or no? Is that cool? We are in profit with 500 points right now, and I trailed my soft stop. So if you can sell half the position, time to do. My stop is in profit already, and nothing can happen. Okay. And the last one is British pound. So, and I'm in loss with this, not British pound, this is the FTSE British index. So, and I'm a little bit in loss, which means there was my entry. My entry. So I guess I'm out. If I see it clearly, that I guess I'm out. Yeah, get me out here, and the trade is, so that's what I trade my soft stop, and I'm out here. That's wrong. That's nothing changed there. So now I'm waiting for my next balance candle in the FTSE, and then I can open a new trade. So wait for it. It's on my watch list too. Okay, so that was the topic of that was my trades for today. So let's make, how should I say, let's make a quick review of that week. So please give me just 3-4 minutes your attention, please. So, and is it advisable to enter US dollar Japanese? No, of course not. We are too far away in the expensive price. Okay. Yeah, long, of course, FTSE long, of course, FTSE long. So let's repeat what we have learned this week. I showed you the pen, and I trained you the pen. It's ancient wisdom, 2,500 years old. And this is what can protect your life and what can make you a better trader, a better human being, and of course, what is responsible or what is able to make it happen that you become a successful trader. So the pen, the thing with the pen is really, really cool because we figured out the pen comes from you, just only from you. Otherwise, the dog would write a letter with it, which means the right side of the chart comes from you. So how does the picture come in your mind? Yeah, we do it. Just you watching yourself doing, saying, or thinking something. It's kind of a mental seed. When you watch yourself breaking the rules, you plant a bad seed. And after a specific time, it opens up, and you will do it the same again. If you're watching yourself being patient, if you're watching yourself sticking to the rules, you plant great seeds in your mind. And that will help you next time stick to the rules. So how we can plant as traders, how we can plant really good seeds. And by the way, sending some wishes to the universe, stupid thing ever, because we figured out you can close your eyes, you can wish whatever you want. Maybe this is a big diamond, but then you open your eyes and you see, oh, it's a damaged pen, nothing else. It's just a damaged pen. So something forces you to see that. The moment you open your eyes, a luminous, a small picture comes out from your mind and covered that thing, that's the plastic cylinder, and you see there's a pen. It's not a diamond. It's nothing, something else. It's just a pen. It's a damn pen, nothing else. So something forces you, even you wished it was a diamond. No, it's a pen, right side of the chart. It's not a wishing concept there. You see it, it's your reality. So therefore, we must think about how I can plant my own success in life. And as a trader, you can plant it. And therefore, I introduced you the 4 magic steps. Realize you plant seeds in your mental seeds in your subconscious while watching yourself, when you say something, when you do something, or when you think something. That means 4 magic steps. Step number 1, say it in 1 sentence what you want. 1 sentence. I want to become a better husband. I want to become a better dad. I want to become a real successful trader. Write it down. 1 short sentence. Step number 2, you must watch yourself doing that, which means find another person who has the same or a similar goal. Help them that those guys can reach its own goal. Step number 2. Step number 3, Nike slogan, just do it. Meet that guy every week, 1 hour, half an hour, 1 hour, and help them make a plan how you can help another one reaching its goal. Watch yourself. This is planting like a seed in your mind. And every seed needs water. Most important step is step number 4. Before you lay down your head on the pillow, think it about and be happy, not grateful. Being grateful is another seed. Be happy, rejoicing. It's called the right word, rejoicing, which means be happy that you help other people. This is rejoicing. I promise you, you will sleep better. You will. I am talking about experience. You will sleep better. And now I give you a special advice. Make a small project. Take 1 project, with these 4 steps, and give it time 3 months. There is a big chance that you will see the changing. You will see it. I'm talking about experience, guys. That's the 4 more magic steps. And you know, we are Friday right now. And I want to give you, for your weekend, I want to give you a special word. A really special word. And I hope you will listen to me, because it's really important. And this comes from the bottom of my heart. Listen to that word, and I hope you will think about it. There's a special word. Do I have your attention right now? I hope so. So listen to me. Yesterday is the history. Tomorrow is a mystery. But today is a gift. That is why we call it present. And I hope you will use this present very, very wisely. Have courage and be kind. And may the force be with you. See you. Bye-bye.